matters or kasama sa pamilya mo. Alright? You need to understand that. Wag kang mag-wish, wag kang mag-isip ng isang bagay sa isang tao kung hindi mo kakayanin yun mangyari para sa sarili mo. Alright? So if I'm gonna do the challenge, it's because I want to support the movement, that this is how you go back. This is how you fight back. This is how you alam mo yun, this is what faith does. That imagine, you're really on your lowest point and then you get back up. Alam mo yun, ginawan mo ng full song. And then people like you guys, a lot of you are mad and hating because she can smile right now and you guys can't. Right? Facts, real talk. Lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayon, I'm not defending her. I'm just saying this on the, alam mo yun, on an outside point of view. For you guys who are still hating her, for you guys who are still, alam mo yun, continuing to bash her, trust me, nakakatulog siya ng maayos ngayon. Nakakangiti siya ngayon. And it's God's plan, I believe. Right? So for you guys, can we wish that if a person is down, can we wish that, alam mo yun, God will make a miracle in her life to bring her up again? Right? And for me, I want to be an instrument. I told you guys in my life, I will not do the challenge if ikakasakit ng kapwa ko. But if Kim Chu will personally message me, alright, you will know tomorrow what happened, alright? You will know tomorrow what happened. What is the whole thing? But for me, if I'm gonna do it, it's beyond what you think. It's beyond the hype. It's beyond the content of that song. It's beyond the, alam mo yun, the interview thing. It's yung hugot ko kung bakit ko gagawin is because I support and I believe that supporting or amplifying this kind of energy will affect a lot of people, lalo na sa panahong to na ang daming lugmok, right? I'm inspired with how Kim Chu handled everything. Alam mo, on those days na pumutok yun, of course, natural response ng isang tao is, of course, you're gonna protect yourself, right? And then God showed another way. God showed miracle for her life right now. So imagine mo, that song turned into a hit song. It's not because of the content, but it's because of how did God made that song, alam mo yun, na maging hindi mo maintindihan from an interview na hindi mo maintindihan with the beat itself, and then nagkaroon ng verse and all. It's just masterpiece of God. Alright? Walang may gustong mangyari yung ganun eh. It just happened. Right? So for you guys, you're better than that. Mag-isip kayo ng mas mataas pa. Alright? Huwag kayo yung parang katulad ng mga sinasabi kong keyboard warriors na okay, ang sama nun din. Alam, maniniwala ka na. Asan yung integridad mo? Asan yung puso mo? Makinig ka sa puso mo. Kung ganyan ka ba talaga pinanganak, okay, maintindihan ko. Pero kung hindi ka ganyan pinanganak, man, trust me, I make a choreography, I make a dance, it's beyond dancing. It's more of the intention, it's more of the purpose. So again, if I'm gonna do it, let's see tomorrow. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it because I want to amplify the idea of how Kim Chu get back up from, alam mo yun, the lowest point. Maybe, I don't know. We don't know kung ano yung lowest point, but I believe it's one of the lowest point in her career na 20 million people, more than 20 million people bashed her, made fun of her. Alam mo yun, ginamit yung song just to, alam mo yun, to sumakay sa hype without even thinking. Right? So, I'm not forcing everyone to be like me, but I'm telling everyone to please consider and think. Mag-isip kayo na mabuti. So for me, I'm gonna think, kukunin ko yung tama na ginawa ni Kim kaysa sa mali. It's just me. I don't know about you guys, but it's just me. Right? Kakalimutan ko yung nangyari sa interview. Why? I can understand. Maintindihan ko yun. Emotions. It's emotions. Hindi ko pinagtatanggol. Wala akong pakialam kung ano man yung pinaglalaban nila, kung law or ano man yan. I don't care. My point is, kung paano siya bumalik, kung paano siya umangat, kung paano siya tumayo. Yun yung punto ko kung bakit ko gagawan yung kanta. If ever gagawan ko yung kanta. So for you guys, ruthless or you're beyond that. You're way beyond that. So for you guys, gagamitin niya ako, gagamitin ko siya, it's up to you. But I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna keep spreading the light and facts and realness in me. Right? Why use her? Anong karapatan ko para gawin siya? Right? If the energy will go there, if the universe tells me that this and that, and if God tells me to do it, I'm gonna find the reason why. So yun, para sa mga taong hindi naiintindihan kung bakit ko man gagawan yung challenge if ever, come on man, think you're better than that. Alright, so if I were you, I'm taking Kim Chu's situation or on how she handled and her marketing handled what happened to her as my energy and inspiration. That, if ever mangyari sa akin yun, sorry na putol yung VPN. But again, guys, you need to learn from other people's mistake. Sabi nga ni Jack Ma, di ba? You can't always listen to successful people kasi magkaiba naman tayo ng landas eh. But for me, I'm gonna listen more to other people's mistakes. It's not about hindi ko gagawin yung mga mistake na yun or hindi mangyayari sa akin yung mistake na yun. It's about preparing myself that if that will happen to me or same situation will happen to me, at least I know kung paano ko gagawin yun. Alright? So again, I'm happy of how Kim Chu, paano niya nilabanan, paano siya tumayo. That's para sa akin, yun yung mga champion moments ng buhay. Yan yung mga moments na ipagmamayabang mo hanggang sa mga apo mo. And I'm jealous that Kim Chu had that moment in her life. Alam mo yun, sana ako din magkaroon. Kasi yun yung mga kwentong ipagmamayabang mo sa apo mo na pinagdaanan ko to sa sarili ko, sa karir ko. And kung pinagdaanan ko to, nalagpasan ko to, I believe malalagpasan mo din kung ano yung nalalagpasan mo. Alright? So, for me, I'm not explaining it's because I'm gonna do it. I'm not explaining because just to clean my hands. I'm explaining to enlighten your eyes or to enlighten your minds and to enlighten your souls that it's not good to hate people. It's never great to hate people. Alright? It's never great. Guys, nating makabuluhan tong quarantine, gawin nating makabuluhan tong virus na to. And this virus is not telling us or is not teaching us to hate another people or to amplify the hateness in this world. This virus is telling us to be fucking humble, to be kind. A lot of people are experiencing shit right now and they don't need it. They don't need the negative vibes. They don't need the hate. What we need from each other right now is support and respect in each other. Alright? Kung wala ka namang kasama doon, kung hindi ka naman kasali sa issue na yun, kung hindi ka naman apektado sa issue na yun, then, diba? Huwag ka na maglagay ng apoy. Alright? Asikasuhin mo na lang yung pamilya mo, asikasuhin mo na lang yung sarili mo, i-inspire mo na lang yung sarili mo. Alright? So please, do what you gotta do. Do all the great things for yourself, but don't do things that, alam mo yun, makakasakit sa ibang tao. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. It's because I have my own reasons why I do it. You support me or not, It's up to you. But for me, kukunin ko inspirasyon kung paano bumangon si Kim Chiu. That's it. So for me, that's me. You, that's you. If you're gonna keep on hating. But I pray for you and I pray for your soul na pag once na matapos tong COVID na to, yan yung tinanim mo sa puso mo during sa quarantine na to. Pero ako at kung sino man yung mga taong naniniwala sa kabaitan, suporta, respeto, pagkatapos ng virus na problema na to, na challenge na to sa buong mundo, we are better persons. We are better versions of ourselves. So, and wala tayong karapatan para bigyan ng leksyon si Kim, guys. Ni isa sa atin wala tayong karapatan. That's why wala tayong karapatan sabihin niya, I hope na sana na natutunan niya yung leksyon niya. Why? Meron ba tayong pinalaki ba natin si Kim? Pinakain pa natin si Kim? Si God lang yung may karapatang magbigay ng ganun. Alright? So please, don't hope that, or don't, be careful what you say, be careful what you wish for, or be careful what you release. It's gonna come back to you, trust me. If it's not coming back to you, it's gonna go to your family, or kung ano man yung mangyayari sa'yo. So if I were you, be a better yourself, right? Strengthen your character in this period right now. This is the best, alam mo yun? This is the best time to strengthen our values, strengthen our character, right? Let's spread humanity. Let's bring back humanity, right? Magtulungan tayo, magrespetuhan tayo. Lahat, we are in this world to make mistakes. We are not perfect, right? Kasi kung perfect tayo, wala na tayo dito sa mundo. Nasa langit na tayo lahat. Right? We don't amplify the mistake. We amplify on how a person rise up. Diba? Ano bang gusto mong i-amplify? Yung pagkamatay ng Diyos o yung pagkabuhay ng Diyos? Dahil sinalba nila lahat ng kasalanan natin. Right? Go back to that. Ano ba yung gusto mong masi-celebrate? Yung namatay yung Diyos o yung pagkabuhay ng Diyos? Same thing. Don't celebrate the downfall or yung pagkalugmok ng isang tao. Celebrate kung paano niya binuhat yung sarili niya, kung paano niya, anong hugot niya, paano siya umangat. That's it. That's it. I'm done. And we'll see. I'm excited. I let the energy cook it. I will not force anything. So that's it. I hope you guys may natutunan kayo sa leksyon natin ngayon. Alright? So please be a positive energy in this situation. Alright? Mas masaya maging positibo, guys. Masarap ngumiti. Alright? Pag ikaw nakakangiti ka sa pag-i-hate ng isang tao, nakakatawa ka sa pag-i-hate sa isang tao, I believe it's not you. It's fake. Alright? Go to the real you. The real you is the, alam mo yun, the kindness, the goodness. So that's it. Peace. And let's see for that classroom song. Let's see kung paano mangyari. Siri, I'm not talking to you. I said si Siri. Anyway, yun lang. Guys, thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys learned something today. Alright? It's just pure positivity and hindi ako galit. Ganun lang talaga ako magsalita. Alam mo yun, may bigat para maramdaman natin, di ba? So, yun. Kung meron tayong lahat pinagdadaanan ngayon, it's normal. Lahat tayo, may ganung klaseng pagdadaanan. Just keep rocking life, right? Know that God is paying attention on what you do in these times. And know that the battle is won already. Right? nanalo na tayo. Sa Diyos pa lang. So please, alright? Keep the positivity, keep the faith, keep the love, of course. More. Enlighten your mind, enlighten your spirit, enlighten your soul. Make it a habit to be kind. Make it a habit to be great. Make it a habit to be, alam mo yun, to love more. Those are the best habits that we need to do. That's it. Peace. I love you guys. This is DJ Lunyo from Raco Beach in FSC, China. And dahil magahat ko kasi buntis yung kamay ko and it's wild. Really freaking wild, right? Ninyo. So, I don't know. Anyway, God bless everyone. Peace and I love you all. It's just pure realness and pure love. God bless everyone. Love you.